Terima kasih buat pendukung Semen Padang seluruhnya. Saya ucapkan semoga kami bisa juara. Terima kasih.
What I have to say about the game is that God did. So we have a target to be in the League One, and we have a target to be in the League One, and God helped us to be in the League One. And because we really worked hard from the beginning of the season, so we set this goal to be in the League One, and God be the glory, we achieved it. Expectation now, we have to focus on the victory. Today we qualify to League One, so we have to go home and sit back and think about the League One, because it's another different ball game from the League Two. So we have to go the management, and I don't know the plans for the management first. So from the management, they have to set a good target to continue playing in the League One, not to back in the League Two again, and as well go for championship in League One in time.
But are you happy in Semen Padang?
100%. 100% I am.
Thank you.